Houston, where the local time is 5:47 a.m.
Hi everybody from Houston, George Bush Airport. I just arrived from Las Vegas and right now we're headed to Fort Lauderdale. We just arrived into gate C37, but we have to go to E10, so let's head over there now. Our flight for today's United Flight 723 at 8 a.m. for Fort Lauderdale, boarding at gate E10. And right here's our gate for today, E10. Unfortunately, there's no window at the gate here, so I'm just going to give you the aircraft information on here. Our aircraft for today's November 77259. 2-year-old Boeing 737 MAX 8 with serial number 43462. It just arrived a few minutes ago from Guatemala City. Alright, we're boarding now for Fort Lauderdale. Go.
So good. I mean, except that there should be. So right now, the window for the
Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Are you the cameraman?
I am, I'm trying to.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good morning. We would like to welcome you aboard United Airlines flight. We are 723 en route to Fort Lauderdale. As you are getting settled, we would like to remind you that your primary storage area is the space underneath the seat in front of you. Please utilize the space underneath the seats in front of you for your belongings, as well as if you have the United app downloaded to your phone.
In our seat today, we have a nice, decent recline. Wide, you go. It's pretty far for an economy seat. Nice leather seat back. Adjustable headrests, which can also be risen. In-flight entertainment screen. Right here. It's a touch screen. Tray table. Also adjusted. Got a seat back pocket with the safety card. magazine and advertisement, and our window. Welcome aboard. Inside of the IFE screen, there's also a USB port and 2 places to adapt your headphones to the screen.
Large portable electronic devices such as your laptop computers must be stowed securely either underneath the seats in front of you and overhead bins. You're able to continue to use your small portable electronic devices. They must be held securely in your hands and placed in seatback pockets, and they must remain in airplane and non-transit mode until we have landed.
Pushing back up the gate here momentarily. Just they do have all the doors closed. They've got all the bags on downstairs. Once we do get in the air, it's a quick 2 hours, 9 minutes to take off the touch. A little bit longer than normal. They have us going over the land today. There's quite a bit of weather out over the Gulf, so not able to cut that corner this morning. So anyways, 2 hours, 9 minutes, expecting a pleasant ride up at 35,000 feet. Right now they have flow restrictions into Fort Lauderdale, so they tell us we can go flying at 17 minutes past the hour. So that will be about the time that we do get out there to the end of the runway. We may have to sit there just for a couple minutes. In any case, we'll talk to you once we get airborne with the update of weather, arrival time, gate assignment, all the other pertinent information. Good morning, welcome aboard.
Please fasten your seatbelts.
This Boeing 737 on our video screens. You have individual reading lights above your seats. We recommend you fasten your seatbelts over your garments and your blankets so that they are visible whenever the seatbelt sign is illuminated. If you're sitting at the exit rows, we ask that you unplug all devices from the outlets and raise your window shades for takeoff. If you stowed items underneath the seats in front of you, make sure they're completely stowed underneath the seats and ensure that all the exits and the outs are clear. We recommend you fasten your seatbelts over your garments and your blankets so that they are visible whenever the seatbelt sign is illuminated. We thank you again for your patience and your cooperation. Good morning. Welcome aboard.
2 hours later.
We're now beginning our descent into Fort Lauderdale.
Tray tables must be stowed properly. Large portable electronic devices such as your laptop computers must be stowed securely, either underneath the seats in front of you or on overhead bins. You're able to continue to use your small portable electronic devices. They must be held securely in your hands and face the seatback pockets, and they must remain in airplane and non-transit mode until we have landed. If you've stowed items underneath the seats in front of you, please make sure that they are completely stowed underneath the seats, ensure that all the exits and the aisles are clear. If you're sitting at the exit rows, we ask that you please unplug all devices from the outlets and raise your window shades for landing. Thank you.
It's now time for the Travel Man Rates, Flight Edition. The factors for this are simple. We'll be rating the seat, the food, the in-flight entertainment, and the service. First, the seat. The seats on this flight were amazing. The recline was perfect, the width was perfect, the pitch was perfect. Pretty much everybody could fit in that seat. The recline was great, and also the adjustable headrests were a nice touch, considering they were leather and they were really comfortable. The IFE screens were perfectly responsive, and also the seatback pockets contained a lot. Therefore, I'm giving it a 5 out of 5. Next, the food. It seems like I'm on a streak with United because every single snack service on the flights I've been on, I've been asleep. However, from what I hear, the snack service was great. They had a lot of options for this early flight, a lot of beverage options, snack options, anything you want, they had. They had popcorn, different chips, cookies, chocolate. Everything you would want on a flight like this, you would get with United. Therefore, I'm giving it a 5 out of 5. Next, the in-flight entertainment. The IFE on this flight was great, some of the best I've had on any of my flights. The screens were perfectly responsive, they responded so quickly, there were a lot of options that could take you around the globe so many times. There were a lot of movies, dramas, comedies, ebooks, podcasts, games. There was a ton of stuff you could choose from, and therefore I'm giving it a 5 out of 5. Finally, the service. The service on this flight was incredible. I have to say this was probably the best service I've had on any of my flights in the past. They were really enthusiastic about my filming, but in addition to that, they were constantly through the cabin, checking on all the passengers, and they even sparked up conversations with everybody. They were really friendly, and they showed us that they were happy to be there, and they made us happy to be there also. Therefore, I'm giving it a 5 out of 5. So, with all that said, this leaves United Airlines 737 MAX 8 service from Houston to Fort Lauderdale with a perfect 20 out of 20. United has been amazing on the past few flights I've taken with them, but this one has to be the best. I know United is going to continue to stay the same in the future, and I can't wait to fly with them once again. Great job, United.
736. We will be taxiing for a few more minutes. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until we pocket the gate and the captain has turned on the fasten seatbelt sign. Do use caution when retrieving your articles from the overhead bins, as the items sometimes tend to shift during the flight. You may now use your approved portable electronic devices in transmit mode. If you are continuing on with one of our United or Star Alliance flights, you can check the monitors in the terminal for the latest gates and departure times. I would like to thank you, along with my Houston-based flying partners, for choosing United. We realize you have a choice of carriers, and we truly do appreciate your business. We thank you again. Enjoy the rest of your day. We look forward to seeing you soon.
Welcome to Fort Lauderdale.
Alright, attendants. This time you do us a wrap up for 6 to 5 o'clock.
Bye, thank you.
You get everything? You got your footage?
I did my best. I finished on, when we pulled in, I finished on like 1 second of storage.
So cool.
Yeah, so I
That'll
just
be
finished
fun.
it.
Where do you live?
What happened?
You live in Houston?
All right, welcome to Florida. Welcome to Florida. All right.
How are you? You doing good?
Here are our last views of our 737 MAX 8 for today. Alright everybody, and that concludes today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our flight as much as I did. Our plane's headed right back to Houston. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Bye guys.